Good morning, everyone. All right, so we got something special today. I was just having a conversation with our good friend, the Raider, and they wanted to have a dance-off with Mr. Scrayback. So, half court, come on out. Apparently, Mr. Scrayback's been talking trash that he is a better Raider, so we're just going to do a dance-off.
I think there's an unfounded rumor going around that I was the Raider at the pep rally. And I find those rumors to be baseless and demeaning.
I may have started those rumors, so. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's clap with no music, so let's just make our own music and we'll have a dance-off. All right, go ahead. Clap, 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 clap. That was pretty good. All right. Clap, 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 clap. Ooh, the moon. All right, Raider, your turn, your turn. Oh. There you go. Hey! All right, I think we're going to call it bold winners today. Big round of applause. Mr. Scrayback, thank you for going along with that. Unplanned. Sometimes the best things go unplanned. All right, so yesterday I was with a bunch of principals down at the Maine Principals Association. I know what you're thinking, wow, that must be really exciting, Mr. Bell. So I got in an argument with somebody, and we were talking about why is our school the best school in the state of Maine. And you know what he told me? He said his students are the reason that they're the best school in the state of Maine. And I'm like, that's impossible. Because we have the best students, and that's what makes us the best school in the state of Maine. So who do you think was right? Me or principal at a school I will not say? You! Thank you! It's not that often I get 500 people say that I was right about something, so it is true. You guys are what makes this school the best school in the state of Maine. And for that, I just want to say thank you. You can give yourself a round of applause. A couple of quick announcements. Bus 10 will not be running this afternoon. If you plan on taking it home, please stop by the main office to find out which bus you're supposed to take. So bus 10, if you take bus 10, listen, bus 10. If you take it, you're not taking it today. Stop by the office before the end of the day and they will tell you what bus. What bus number was it? Okay, where are you supposed to go? Okay, thank you. Juniors, stay after the assembly because your advisors have something to talk with you about. Okay? All right, why we all came here today was to find out our next 4 students of the month. So with that being said, let's hear it for the freshman teachers. Come on down, freshman teachers. Somebody? Anybody?
This freshman student of the month is an outstanding student and genuinely good person. She is a focused hard worker who advocates for herself by asking questions. Her grades are outstanding and she is involved in extracurricular activities. She's kind to everyone and always has a smile on her face. She goes out of her way to help others, including coming after school to help upperclassmen with math, and doesn't complain when life throws her a curveball. The Freshman Student of the Month is Silver Picard.
Let's hear it for Silver. Let's hear it for the sophomore teachers. Sophomores.
All right, our November Sophomore Student of the Month. This student is a remarkable individual who embodies a blend of admirable qualities and achievements. He consistently demonstrates a strong commitment to academic excellence, excelling and working hard in high-level classes. His personable nature makes him approachable and well-liked among classmates, while his polite and respectful demeanor earns him the respect of both peers and teachers alike. As a quiet leader, this student leads by example, showing that leadership doesn't always require being the loudest voice in the room. His ability to inspire others through actions rather than words is a testament to his strength of character. In addition to his academic pursuits, he's generous with his peers, often offering help or support whenever needed, thus fostering a sense of community and camaraderie. Beyond the classroom, this student is involved in sports where he applies the same level of dedication and teamwork that he does in his studies. His involvement in athletics not only showcases his versatility and discipline, but also highlights his ability to balance multiple commitments successfully. Overall, he is a well-rounded individual whose contributions and character make a significant positive impact in both academic and extracurricular settings at Winslow High School. All of these reasons and many more are why Jamison Delisle has been selected as Student of the Month for the sophomore class.
Let's hear it for the junior teachers.
Good morning, how's everybody? I'm well. The Junior Student of the Month is a hard-working individual. She is a solid presence in the classroom and a strong mentor to her younger peers. She is a great example of growth and consistency. She is challenging herself to expand her own knowledge and often steps outside her comfort zone. She contributes to the Winslow High School community in a quiet yet effective way. This Junior Student of the Month for November is Alicia Perkins.
Huge round of applause for Alicia Perkins. This way I don't forget, if you are a student of the month, make sure you stay behind to get your picture taken, please. And last but certainly not least, senior teachers, come on down.
This month's Senior Student of the Month embodies our responsible citizen school standards. She has demonstrated outstanding mentorship of a student during field hockey, making sure that she knows when team events are happening. She's a supportive friend, putting on miles carrying gear and pushing a wheelchair for weeks. She has developed strong leadership skills and is an all-around fabulous Raider. Please join me in congratulating Emma Barlow.
Evan, did they not mention that in the write-up? They didn't put that in there? You should be proud that she's your sister. All right, everybody except for the juniors and the students of the month who need to come up here for the picture. Juniors stay.